Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make objects appear behind you in CapCut. Let's begin. Making objects appear behind you in a video can give it a creative, surreal effect or help with more immersive storytelling. It's commonly used in a green screen effects, or it can be done using masking and layers in CapCut to make it look like objects are in the background while you are in the foreground. This technique is great for videos where you want to interact with digital objects, create illusions, or add fun elements. So how can we do it? First of all, you need to open the CapCut app. And once it's open, you might want to click the create a new project if you want to begin your work or start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this project that I've been playing with. I'm going to click on it. You see, this is going to be the video that I wanted to appear behind a specific object. Now, as you would notice, the first thing that you need to do from here is going to be make sure that you go to the video, go to overlay, click the video, and there should be an option here that says remove a background. All right, click the auto removal so we can remove the background in place. Click the check option. You would notice that the video, now the background has been removed. And then the next thing is, after that, we need to click the add an overlay. Now I'm going to choose a background for this one. Say, for example, we're going to be choosing this as an example. Maybe let's choose this one right here. Click on add. Once you have chosen the background, click on it, and then from the timeline, all right, make sure that the video is behind it by dragging this section right here. And then from here, the next thing that I need to do is basically go to the layer section, and then I need you to click the black guy and click the front option. What will happen is he will be forwarded to the front, and click the check button. Now we're going to maximize the screen right here, so he will be occupied, and move the face right here, make it a little bit bigger. So now that's set in place. Let's try to put that in so they are like synced from the length of the timeline. Click the play button to see if we have managed to make the object appear behind you here in CapCut. As you can see, we managed to do that here very easily. And once you're happy with that, just click the export button on the top right corner to send it to your client for feedback, or if you want to create a copy of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.